check it out. I got my wife this pink toolkit, and let's just go through what's in it. It's got a tape measure and a little wrench, a hammer, a knife, some wall stuff for hanging whatever you want to hang, some electrical tape, and a cordless screwdriver that you just plug in the back here like this. And then you have cordless screwdriver that you can put your bits in, and you have a needle nose plier, a handy dandy scissor, a knife, and a level. And these little ones are great for like small things like, you know, just small stuff around the house. And so pros, it's pink, it's a great shape. Cons for us were it's a little heavy, and it was too big for the drawer that we wanted to put it in. So all around, I say it's a good buy.
So it started smoking.